you know what's going to happen with the Scania on the road today, guys? It sadly broke down. This is the worst travel bus urban. I've never been to the bus before, I've never been on the breakdown bus. I haven't broken down mini bus before, AH. That's because I hate it. You must not. Hellingham, you should really do your best maintenance really well. Better than bus mark RTS garage. You can hit the mark. Hit the mark. Oh, what's that car? The cover. Is that a top slot? Yeah, it is a top slot. Oh, we went on a last journey to Scania, but this time it's road down. The refugee racket in the dark. It's now on the Dennis Vara, not the old ones, not the Dennis Star. Awesome. Oh, there's not the way back. Oh no. It's off. Well, standing feet. I know they are hard. It's like an hour. You can put the video on YouTube, aren't you, mate? Do you hear the driver saying? Do you think the driver saying it? No. Oh, some of it I like my place. It was the engine you hear beeping the engine. Yeah, I saw a wall on the dashboard. Engine light was on. Double dig bus that came over. I had a headache. That's why this company now, VW, that's why this company got bigger buses. Cope with the bus train. Do you more room to move at the back? There's more room. More. One to the back. Go to the back of my home train. Absolutely ridiculous buses. Keep breaking down. These buses are so bad in the UK. Keep getting cancelled. BMW. Even worse than the fear thing. I daddy's car. Oh. Well, they're all dogs and buses. They are, yeah, they are. The other bus we had before was nice, wasn't it? It was going well, like broke down. Don't tackle! Full Galaxy on the driveway. You should think about the country creating first. You should definitely love. What's the country for this thing?
It's sort of, they weren't listening, but the bus was so packed, we just had to scramble over a lady's trolley to get through. So I'm going to come down and get the stop.
I know. All ambulance. It'll be an ambulance, a police car. Safira. That house was Safira before, whatever, people like that.
was. Oh, Ford Econoline van.
That made over 1 million views now. That made 1 billion views on my channel. They were over here. They were said, ever said, in a couple of Vauxhall problem, why did you buy a Vauxhall? Why did you buy a Vauxhall?
It's got a VW Golf now from
When
2009.
you went down, John car with them. Oh! I'll put it on YouTube there. You'll be on YouTube later. I'll put that car.
No,
Happy breakdown.
very funny. I had that one time before. Minibus.
I filmed on YouTube. And on YouTube I said, oh no. But the comments said, the people subscribe to Cam channel. We did bus videos. They're like him. I actually remember what is one of the bus like this at your
Same thing. Same thing.
Oh, you got this bus there, don't you? Oh, this bus there, don't you?
On the way back. Let's just go in with.
School bus as well. School bus.
Good thing, look. And a proper school bus. One of them shot there. I'll pull up to the driver. I'll get back.
Yeah, I think you'll get better.
That shot that is. Oh no, on the bus. Got a FY59. Just bus have brought in, should have brought in child.
I wonder why that bus is late. Oh, now I wonder why that bus is late.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Van. Yeah. I've run them. A man on YouTube with the guy that fixed it. They were raving. Oh, the last Audi there, mate, automatic. And the ramp alarm. Oh dear, bro. Oh no.
Oh, the bus got off there.
Oh, it's got a pillow.
And even down here, there's also a guy that's an old prison or something.
John Cannon's.
John Cannon's.
You take your car there, man. Take your car there.
Where John Cannon's? Now what's on this bus? They are. Your car there. John Cannon's son.
They're pretty good. Come and get your car. Come and get it. Collect your car. They collect your vehicle. They collect it. Deliver it. Give it back to you. You're driving it there.
Then you might to school with your car there.
Can they do car here? Think of it.
What the hell is that doing there?
They're not. Where's the bus depot?
Oh yeah.
The bus depot.
You want to see that bus being towed?
The depot. Oh my god. Where is the bus depot? Welcome to truck. Here we go, guys. Probably flooring outlet. Where is there? There we go. There's the bus depot. There we are. Where that road down Scania. Where that Scania. There we are. There's a breakdown van. Yeah, Helen's got the oldest buses in the city that's coming out. This Helen's buses has got a few. Actually, they've got the oldest bus house. They've got a 2002 plate, a 50W reg, and a 2000 reg. Jim buses. I won't know. Yeah, we have to. What? Then we'll get off the bus first. Ready to get off? Go. Let's go. Okay, mate. Probably on the bus. Yeah, this one is the one that works. Thank you, mate. Apart from the driveway. Cheers, mate.